Hi everyone, I'm Tory Nair, a career counselor here in AU's Career Services Office. I'm here to talk to you today about LinkedIn and the top 5 tips and tricks for maximizing your use of your LinkedIn profile. So the first thing that I want to emphasize with LinkedIn is your profile photo. You notice when you can see on the screen here on my photo, that is one of the first things that you see on the profile. And so you want to make sure that picture is professional. You want it to be something that is a neutral background from here up, and is something that again just shows who you are as in your personality. And so you can come into Career Services. We offer free headshots once a semester, and come in and get that picture taken for you, and then use that on your LinkedIn profile. The next piece that you'll want to use or want to update is the About section. And so the About section on LinkedIn, I'll show you that here on my profile, is kind of like the summary section on a resume, and that you want it to be a big picture view of you as a professional. And so that section oftentimes is a little bit hard to write. So what I recommend doing is kind of focusing on the next 2 pieces of my top 5, which is the experience and the education. It's easy to fill that out. You can talk about your education here at Aurora University and enter what degree you're getting in your major, as well as any clubs and organizations you're a part of. And then your experience. I know a lot of you students are working while you're in school, and so you can include part-time jobs, any potential internships and things under the experience section. Make sure that you enter all the information in. LinkedIn is great about prompting you about what to include in each section. So include it all. If you need to copy and paste from your resume, do so, but you want to make sure to include the dates and make sure to include some information and skills that you've gained in each position, and also here at AU. Then once you do that, I think it's easier to go back to that summary or about section and really kind of think about what are the things that I want employers to see about me as a professional. Who am I, what am I offering, and what is kind of my story. And so you'll see in mine, it talks about who I am as a professional, not just a laundry list of my skills. The last thing, the most important thing about LinkedIn, that final piece, is the connection piece. So once you've built your profile with your picture, you have that About section, you filled out some of the experience and education, now you can start connecting to people. And so LinkedIn is great. It'll start, based on what you've put in your profile, it'll start recommending connection requests. So you can start connecting to people, classmates, professors, friends, peers, coworkers, supervisors. Those would be good people to start connecting with. So make sure you connect with people you know and that know you. If you aren't as closely connected to them, feel free to send them a message to kind of remind them of how they know you. But that is the beauty about LinkedIn. You can see your connections, but also the connections. And so that's a great way to kind of build your profile. You have the information about you, and now you have some connections, and you can continue to build your network from there. That's our top 5 tips. If you want more, come see us in Career Services. You can make an appointment through Handshake or email us at career@aurora.edu, and we can schedule an appointment.